Solving systems of linear equations by graphing is actually fairly simple once you know how to graph an equation just one at a time. Now, when we're solving two equations by graphing, you just graph them both on the same plane, and then where they intersect is your solution. So let's look at this one. If we first graph this top equation here, and it's already in proper form, y equals mx plus b, and if you remember, if there's nothing in front of your x, that's like there being a 1. So our slope is 1, or 1 over 1, if you want to look at it that way. And our y-intercept is 2. So when we graph this, you start with your y-intercept at 2. And then every time you go up 1, you go to the right one. Up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And similarly, left 1, down 1, same idea there. And then, once you have a good pattern going, you're just going to connect your dots there. And here you want to be pretty accurate when you're connecting your dots, because if your line kind of veers off to the side at all, or it's not perfectly straight, you're not going to find the correct solution. Alright, I'm going to graph my second equation in green here. And whenever you have an x equals -3, that's going to mean that for every value of y, x is -3. So when y is 0, x is -3. When y is 1, x is -3. When y is 2, x is -3. And you can see that we're going to get an equation that's vertical, or a graph that's vertical, and it's going to have an undefined slope. So when I connect these, I'm going to have a line that goes straight through the x value of -3. And then, if we're looking for our intersection, it's going to be right here at this point. And if I asked you for the actual intersection, your answer is going to be -3, -1. And you want to be very careful when you're graphing these and make sure you give a coordinate as your answer.